before buying a lens you need to know about efficiency. In this video, we'll walk you through some easy lens buying tips to help you find the lens you love. We will present the words in a simple and clear manner so that all the relevant points are clear to you. In the video, we'll cover some basic lens information, how to test lenses, and specify what type of lens you're looking for. We present a simple step-by-step guide to help you find the lens you want. 1. Number. OM System Olympus M. Zuiko Digital ED40 to 150mm f2.8 PRO is a high-quality lens developed for micro four thirds system cameras. This lens will help you take great pictures with powerful zoom at a light weight. The weather-sealed design of this lens will save you from facing problems with water and gray media. Also, this lens has MF clutch which gives you representative focusing. This lens is compatible with teleconverter which will help you to shoot at more distant positions. Plus it's a special feature that makes you compatible with a real blur and wide Bengali clarity. The Olympus M. Zuiko Digital ED40 to 150mm f2.8 PRO by OM System is a very powerful lens designed for micro four thirds system cameras. This lens can perform powerful zoom while being lightweight, which gives photographers a lot of advantages. This lens has a weather-sealed design, which helps to protect the lens should it be used in different environments. Also, this lens has MF clutch which helps photographers rely on the focus ring to manually focus on the subject. This lens is teleconverter compatible which gives photographers a huge zoom. The lens also features a special teleconverter that helps create highly specialized images. The Olympus M. Zuiko Digital ED40 to 150mm f2.8 PRO for the OM system is a micro four thirds lens that offers powerful zoom with light weight. It is a professional class lens with weather-sealed design which can be suitable for a camera. This lens is suitable for micro four thirds system cameras and its powerful zoom range allows professional photographers to capture more advanced motor speeds and clear images. Compatible with teleconverters, allowing you to achieve more zoom with a single lens. Number 2. The Olympus M. Zuiko Digital ED75 to 300mm 2f4.8-6.7 is a high-performance zoom lens designed for micro four thirds cameras. With its versatile focal length range, this lens is ideal for capturing a wide range of subjects, from distant landscapes to wildlife and sports action. The lens features high-quality optics with 3 extra low dispersion (ED) elements, which effectively reduce chromatic aberration and color fringing for sharp, clear images with accurate color reproduction. The lens has a circular aperture with 7 blades, providing smooth, natural. Thanks to its compact size and lightweight design, the Olympus M. Zuiko Digital ED75 to 300mm 2f4.8-6.7 is easy to carry and operate, making it an ideal choice for photographers who need a versatile, portable zoom lens for them. Micro four thirds camera. Additionally, the lens is compatible with Olympus Advanced Autofocus System, making it easy to capture sharp, accurate shots even in challenging lighting conditions. The Olympus M. Zuiko Digital ED75 to 300mm 2f4.8-6.7 zoom lens is a high-spec performance telephoto zoom lens designed for use with micro four thirds cameras. This lens has a focal length of 75 to 300mm, equivalent to a 150 to 600mm lens in 35mm format, making it ideal for capturing distant subjects such as wildlife, sporting events and portraits. The lens has a fast autofocus system that makes it easy to capture fast-moving subjects. Of f4.8-6.7. The aperture range allows for flexibility in low-light conditions and the lens has a minimum focusing distance of 0.9 m, ideal for close-up shots. The lens is constructed with 18 elements in 13 groups, including 3 ED, extra low dispersion elements and 2 HR, high refractive index elements, which help reduce chromatic aberration and produce sharp and clear images. Additionally, the lens has a circular aperture diaphragm that creates smooth and natural background bokeh. The Olympus M. Zuiko Digital ED75 to 300mm 2f4.8-6.7 zoom lens is also light and compact, making it easy to carry for outdoor photography. It has a weather-sealed construction, which makes it resistant to dust, moisture, and temperature changes. Number 3. The Rokinon Xeen XN14 MFT is a professional cine lens designed for micro Four Thirds interchangeable lens cameras. With a focal length of 14mm and a maximum aperture of t3.1, it's a wide-angle lens perfect for capturing expansive landscapes, architecture, and interior shots. The lens is designed for professional cinematographers and filmmakers who demand high-quality optics and performance. It features a durable metal construction and a focus and aperture ring that allows for smooth and precise, easy manual focus and aperture adjustments. Overall, if you're a professional cinematographer or filmmaker looking for a high-quality wide-angle cine lens for your micro Four Thirds camera, the Rokinon Xeen XN14 MFT. Definitely worth considering. The Rokinon Xeen XN14 MFT is a professional cinema lenses designed for micro Four Thirds MFT interchangeable lens cameras. It offers a wide 14mm focal length and a fast t3.1 maximum aperture, making it ideal for capturing wide landscape and architectural shots as well as low-light cinematography. We are talking to you about the video about buying lenses without any problems. We always try to present you new and enjoyable videos. You can subscribe our channel and support us directly. If you like the video, we will continue to mention that you have subscribed to our channel.